Hello and a big welcome back to the Wee Larder channel. Today we're going to be making a delicious Scottish cheddar cheese loaf. I absolutely love this recipe. It is so easy to make and the kids love it too. So you might want to pause at these ingredients here, but to get started we're just going to pop all of our flour into our mixing bowl. We're also going to add in our mustard powder and our cayenne pepper. So I'm actually using the 1057 extra mature Scottish cheddar cheese. I have a blog post with a little bit more info if you want to find out more about the company, but it's a really nice strong cheddar and it has such a nice flavour and it works really well in this recipe. So I'm going to be using that today. We're just going to rub our margarine through there with our fork, and then we're just going to use our fingers until it's completely rubbed together until it has a breadcrumb type consistency. I just added a pinch of salt in there as well, and you can add in a little bit of pepper if you want to as well. Now you want to also preheat your oven at this stage to 180, and that's a fan oven as well. So once we have our lovely breadcrumb type consistency there, we're then going to add in all of our grated cheese. So I love the taste of this cheese. It's a really nice strong mature cheddar, as I was saying, and it just works really well in this recipe. Just gives it lots of flavour. So we're going to add in all of our cheese and just give that a wee stir through as well. And then we're going to mix our egg into our milk there. And we're then going to be adding this into our cheese and flour mixture. So I'm sure you can see so far this recipe is just so easy to make, and it's a really quick one as well. So we're going to give that a good stir through there with the spatula. You just want to keep stirring until that is all completely combined. So I've just given my loaf tin a little spray with a little bit of oil, but you could use some margarine or butter just to grease up your tin. And we're just going to put all of our mixture into our loaf tin there and just squish it down until it is reasonably flat and just spread out to the corners of the tin as much as possible. We're going to bake that for 35 to 45 minutes, and when it is out of the oven it should look something like this. And I'm just adding on a little bit of extra grated cheese just as soon as it comes out of the oven, and that just melts onto the top nicely, and it's just really nice. You could add some grated cheese on for the last 5 to 10 minutes if you wanted to, but I just like to add it on at the end, and it's just so lovely. I love serving this up with a little bit of butter and some chutney, and it also works really well for breakfast as well. So I hope you enjoyed this delicious, easy Scottish cheddar cheese loaf. If you did, please feel free to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it. And I will see you guys again soon. So take care. Lots of love. Bye bye.